What'd you get stuck on? Hold on. Ready, set, go off the jump. Okay, video over.